Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the accent color on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the start button, and then you're going to go ahead and select settings. Select personalization on the left side. And then on the right side, you can go ahead and select where it says colors. Go ahead and left click on that. And then where it says accent color, adjust how apps and Windows surfaces appear on your screen. Go ahead and click inside the drop down here if you want to set a manual color, in which case then you can go ahead and select a color from the list. So again, pretty straightforward. And if you want to set it to automatically select a color, you can just click inside the drop down and then select automatic instead. So again, like I said, it's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.